Hey there! Welcome to Meet a Better Self. I'm Susan, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our fantastic videos. All right, let's get started. Did you know that getting up early can have a significant impact on your life? That's right. Today, we'll explore the 4 benefits of persisting in getting up early and how they can change your life for the better. Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Let's go. Benefit 1. Better physical exercise. We've all been there, using our busy schedules as an excuse not to exercise. But as Benjamin Franklin once said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. By getting up early, you can create more time for exercise, whether it's walking, running, or stretching. Remember when Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson shared his early morning workout routine on social media? He wakes up around 4 a.m. to hit the gym, and that dedication has clearly paid off. So why not follow in his footsteps and make the most of your mornings? By rising early, you'll have more time to go for a walk in your neighborhood, head outdoors for a run, or do some stretching exercises at home. By exercising in the morning, you'll recharge yourself with better vitality and energy. This will lead to greater efficiency and effectiveness in your other daily tasks. On the other hand, if you choose to sleep in, you might feel weak or sluggish throughout the day, impacting your productivity. The best time for a person to exercise is in the early morning. Even if you get up just 10 minutes earlier than usual, you can use that time to shake your shoulders, turn your waist, and stretch your muscles. This quick morning routine can help you fully awaken and energize your body, setting the stage for an active day. Establishing a morning exercise routine is a crucial step towards living a healthy lifestyle. As the foundation of a healthy body, it allows you to better support yourself as you strive for the life you want. So make a change and seize the benefits of early morning exercise. Benefit 2. Better self-learning. Did you know that the early morning is the quietest and most peaceful time of the day? It's the perfect opportunity to engage in some self-learning. By harnessing the power of the morning hours, you can focus on reading, language practice, or test questions, just like many successful people who prioritize learning in their daily routines. The early morning hours are when our minds are the sharpest and our energy levels are at their peak. By dedicating this golden time to learning and personal development, you'll set yourself on a path of continuous growth and improvement. During these quiet moments, you won't be disturbed by too many people or trivial things. So pick up a book, immerse yourself in reading for an hour, practice learning new words in a foreign language, or focus on completing a set of test questions. These precious early morning hours are your most efficient and concentrated moments, ideal for making the most of your learning potential. If you choose to spend your mornings in a daze, you risk losing countless opportunities and possibilities for self-improvement. Those who make a habit of getting up early to study lead a different life because every morning, they're actively working towards becoming a better person. In contrast, those who habitually sleep in may stagnate and become mediocre or lazy. Embrace the early morning hours, and you'll become a person who grows towards the light. By working hard and dedicating your mornings to self-improvement, you'll be better equipped to face challenges and achieve success on your journey. Benefit 3. Better time planning. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but by getting up early, you can gain 2 or 3 extra hours to make the most of your life. Just think about how some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs and leaders start their days early to maximize their time and productivity. By beginning your day early, you can complete important tasks, such as learning or daily exercise, before the day truly begins. This daily self-investment might not make a noticeable difference immediately, but over time, you'll see the gap between you and others widen as you become more accomplished and exceptional. Imagine the power of using these extra hours to do meaningful things, extending the length and depth of your life. While others are still sleeping or rushing through their mornings, you'll have already completed essential tasks like personal learning, exercise, or even enjoying a hearty breakfast. These seemingly unimportant self-investments accumulated day by day will give you more strength and personal growth, allowing you to continually outpace those around you. Remember, it's the small daily progressive actions that set successful people apart from the rest. No one becomes different overnight. They simply make different and progressive choices each day, even on seemingly ordinary days. Benefit 4. Better emotional adjustment. Did you know that waking up early can have a profound impact on your emotional well-being? By maintaining a regular sleep schedule and rising early, you're fostering a positive and optimistic mindset, much like many successful people who swear by their morning routines for success and happiness. By sticking to a regular sleep pattern, you'll experience improved mental states and increased confidence, allowing you to be more productive throughout the day. When you begin your day early, you can already check off many of your to-do list items while others are still sleeping, which gives you a sense of accomplishment. On those days when you're feeling down, try getting up earlier and basking in the morning sun. Nature's warmth and light can help you cherish the day and inspire you to improve yourself. Remember, when you make the most of your time and stop procrastinating, you'll avoid the pressures and difficulties that come with falling behind. Waking up early can also help you avoid negative emotions. Long hours of sleep can make you feel more tired and confused, causing a lack of self-discipline and increased pressure. People who consistently wake up early and maintain a regular sleep schedule have better overall mental states and are more resilient. Sometimes just getting up earlier and soaking in the morning sun can change your mood for the better. By embracing the natural beauty of each new day and making a commitment to self-improvement, you can transform your emotional well-being. The key is to resist the temptation to procrastinate and be lazy. Otherwise, you may find yourself facing even greater pressures and challenges. Remember, it's important to cherish each day and make the most of the time you have to continue growing and evolving. So there you have it, the 4 incredible benefits of persisting in getting up early: better physical exercise, better self-learning, better time planning, and better emotional adjustment. By embracing early mornings and striving for improvement, you're setting yourself up for a more fulfilling and successful life. Now, I want to leave you with this thought-provoking question. Are you ready to rise with the sun and transform your life? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today on Meet a Better Self. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our incredible content designed to help you become the best version of yourself. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep striving for greatness. Goodbye and take care.